Alright guys, welcome back to the next episode on HANA Access Advanced Training. You may be thinking, what kind of stuff am I doing during this training? How can I be so irresponsible and play a game during this HANA Access Advanced Training? Actually, this is for a reason. And the reason is very simple: to make you explain, to make you understand, to make you learn. And there is definitely some learning out of this game as well. So, can you guess where am I running this game? Anyone? Am I running it on a DOS operating system? Is it practically possible to install a DOS operating system today on your machine? What do you feel? Is it possible to install DOS operating system today? Not really. Why? Because it was there in the classical world. But then how am I able to play this game which belongs to DOS operating system? Is because the Windows gives me a special option called DOSBox. The DOSBox allows you to run the DOS games into Windows machine inside a browser. So it's basically a DOS box which is giving the compatibility of your classical games in Windows into your latest Windows machine. That's exactly what's happening in HANA Access Advanced. Exactly. Let me explain that. So someone asked yesterday this question about what is exactly access environment. So that is what your DOS box, that's what your compatibility layer. So what's happening in XS Classic, the entire XSJS engine is part of SAP HANA in XS Classic. And that's why you were able to put the XSJS files as well as XSO data files and run them natively on HANA. But with HANA Access Advanced, this layer has been removed from XS Advanced. Exactly. Can anybody guess? Where did it go then? How is it possible to run the same XSJS file on XS Advanced then? If we don't have the XSJS which was there inside HANA box, how do I run it? Basically, you need a DOS box. Just like to run a classical game, you need the DOS box. You need a compatibility layer to be able to provide the similar runtime environment so that you can run the XSJS files, you can run the XSO data files on XS Advanced. And that compatibility layer is your dependency on node module called XSENV. This is basically a node module present on Node.js, which you add it using your package.json. It gets installed in your XS Advanced version, and this XS environment also allows you to get an access to the HANA database as well from your XS Advanced layer. So all of these benefits of XS environment, and it exactly acts like a DOS box, which provides the runtime environment for your XSJS file. Does that answer your question, which some of you were asking yesterday, what exactly this XS environment file is technically doing?